pens in my hand, ending unplanned. Staring at the blank page before you, open up the dirty window.
Don't know what to say, don't know how to act, 'cause I'm still moved by you, 'cause you just have to ask. No, it doesn't hurt unless I walk. I don't feel any pain unless I try to talk. I don't even cry unless I open my eyes. I don't need to kick or scream or curse. No, it doesn't hurt
me. I don't have the strength to resist or control you. So take me down, take me down. You hurt me, but do I deserve this? You make me so nervous. Calm me down, calm me down. Wake you up in the middle of the night to say I will never walk away again. I'm never gonna leave this bed. Oh, so come here and never leave this place. Perfection of your face slows me down, slows me down. So fall down. I need you to trust me. Go easy, don't rush me. Help me out, why don't you help me out? Wake you up in the middle of the night to say I will never walk away again. I'm never gonna leave this bed. Oh, so you say go, it isn't working.
I hate your friends and family, they're trying to take you from me. Oops, I forgot to take the pill again. Did I forget to mention I need all your attention, or else I throw a tantrum for it? Check your phone, check your mail, check your pockets, might as well. It's a test, it's a game, it's just begun.